Hey everyone, welcome back to another lesson. Today we're going to be answering how do I create a basic formula in Excel. It's quite easy. Let's get to work and let's show you how it's done. So generally when we're looking to create a formula, we want to first of all click the cell where we want the formula to go, and we can click up here, formulas, and we can insert a function, or these are all common functions, or we can just click on here and we can click up here and we can say equals 1 plus 1, and now we've got equals 2, and that is a basic formula that we've created in cell A1. So this is cell A1. It even shows up here highlighted. So if I click here, now we're in B1, C1, D1. If I click here, drag, now I've copied that same formula. So now I've got it in A1 and B1. If I click in here, we can do it up here, auto sum. So this is going to add up what I want it to add up. It's going to add the two cells. 2 plus 2 equals 4. So we can either click in there and we can type it in the formula bar here, or we can use these functions here. These are the commonly used ones. And if you're looking for, if you know the name of the function, but you don't really see it here and you don't want to search for which one it is, you can just hit insert function and type in what you want to type in. So that's it. You can either click on formulas and choose from here, or you can click directly in the cell where you want it to go and just type it up here. Equals 1 plus 1 is a formula. I hope that helped and gave you a better idea of how to create a basic formula in Excel. If you have any questions, add them in the comments section and I'll do my best to help you out.